Look what we have here. So many coins to put in our piggy bank. How many coins do we have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 coins. Look what we have now. It's shapes we can put in our lunchbox. Here's an orange square. This is a purple circle. Here's a yellow triangle. And our last shape is a red pentagon. Look what's in our lunchbox. We have a squishy hamburger, and some French fries. Let's feed them to our frog friend. Look what we have here. It's building blocks. This is awesome. I wonder what we can build with these blocks. Let's put them together and find out. What did we build? It's a playground set for Peppa Pig and her brother George. And we also have Daddy Pig. Let's put Peppa on the swings. And we'll put Daddy Pig and George Pig on a seesaw. Can Daddy Pig fit? Yes.
Funnest toys.
Orange.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho,
Red
the
apple.
dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife
Green
takes
pear.
the child. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho, the
eggplant.
dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the
Red
cow.
tomato.
The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi ho, the dairy-o,
yellow
mouse.
lemon.
The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse
Green
takes
cucumber.
the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone.
Peach.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
White radish.
Fun is toys.
What do we have here? It's our Melissa and Doug pizza counter. Cool! We're making pizza. First, we need our pizza dough. Let's use this mixer to mix our ingredients. We'll need 3 eggs. Here's 1, 2, 3. Let's crack open our yellow egg. Now let's crack open our green egg. And here's our last egg. Is it a red egg or a pink egg? It is pinkish red. Now, our last ingredient, a stick of butter. Now we need to put this in our pizza dough maker. A monster truck school bus? This doesn't belong in here. Now let's put our pizza dough in. Our pizza dough is all ready. Now we're gonna set up our toppings. Let's see what's in our purple cup. It's black olives. Here's our green cup. It's pepperoni slices. Here's our red cup with some green peppers. Let's see what's in our yellow cup. It's mushrooms. And here's our blue cup with our tomato sauce. And our orange cup with our cheese. Now our crust is ready for our tomato sauce. What do we need next? Our cheese. Let's top it with some mushrooms, some green peppers, pepperoni slices, and black olives. Now let's bake our pizza. Let's count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. And we're done. Our pizza is all ready.
My partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
Our pizza looks so yummy.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love.
Fun as toys.